Hello everyone, welcome back to Olsen Cafe. Today we are going to solve this common and yet simple statistic question, finding mean, mode and median. Let's go. So let's start with mean, which is the easiest. Alright, so mean, all of us will know it is equals to average. So average simply means we are going to add up all the numbers. Alright, and then I divided by the total numbers over here. So if we take a count, alright, we will know that total there are 10 numbers. So I'm going to divide it by 10. Alright, so simple calculation. So this will give me 31 divided by 10. And this will give me the final answer, which is equals to 3.1. So this is easily done. So next, let's take a look at mode. Right, this is easy, but yet a lot of students often give the wrong value. Now, by definition, mode is simply means the most frequent number, which means mode is the number that appears most of the time. Yeah, so in this case, if I take a look at all these 10 numbers, I will notice that 2 appears most frequent. That means the most number. So that means if I count, so 1, 2, 3. So therefore, I know that the mode over here, it is equals to 2. Now, the mistake that student made, instead of writing down this number, student usually give mode as 3 because they say, because the number 2 appear 3 times. So therefore, they say mode is equals to 3. So do take note, mode is not equals to 3. Mode is the number that appears most of the time. So that is mode. All right, hope you get this clear. Now, the last one, we are going to find the median. Now, this is also the most confused term for students. All right, median, it means the middle number, which is also means the center. Now, so do take note, we cannot find median where it is from here. So what we need to take note, is we must first arrange the numbers in ascending order. That means I have to arrange it from the smallest to the biggest number. Yeah, so let's take a look. So the smallest number over here is 0. So I'm going to start off with 0. Then the next smaller number is 1, followed by 2, then followed by 3, followed by 4, and the last one is 10. Now, so once the numbers are being arranged in ascending order, so I am able to find where is the middle number. So which means I'm going to count. So since total there are 10, all right, so let's count. So 10 divided by 2, which is 5, right? So I need to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is here, but I can't take this number 2 as the median. All right, so because I have even numbers, right? So I know that, the median will be somewhere in the middle, which is over here. Why? So that where the arrow is, I know that on the left of the arrow, there are 5 numbers, and there are also 5 numbers on the right of the arrow. So I know that the median is somewhere over here. But what is this number? So what we need to do is, we will need to find the average of these two numbers. So I take 2 plus 3, and then I divided by 2. So with this, I'm able to get the value which is equals to 2.5. So this is how you find median. So do remember, before you find median, you will have to arrange the numbers in ascending order, which is from smallest to the biggest. Hope you find this video useful. Do like and subscribe if this helped you. I will see you in my next video. Bye.